Frank and Joe here from Long Beach, California. My friend Joe, visiting from Bronx, New York, is with me, and we're going to sing a very, very, very powerful song. One that we sang many, many years ago in high school when we were members of the Salesian Folk Song Club. Were we members?
Salesian High School Folk Song Club.
I guess members is the correct
Well,
word.
we were members of an ensemble.
Ensemble.
And we are going to be singing on duo.
Right.
And
Brother
Fire
Ken,
and Rain.
Brother Ken was our teacher and also our moderator of this club.
And
was a
he
great
cho-
guitarist.
he
Great
right.
guitarist.
He played the acoustic,
Acoustic.
and he chose the songs.
Chose the songs.
And we're going to honor
We're going to
Brother
honor
Ken
him today,
Moore
who's still living.
and James Taylor, who is also still alive.
Right.
And we're going to get going because it's very hot here
It's
in
been
California.
hot, and Joe's feeling hot. But of course,
Right.
temperature, of course.
Who's hot? Who's
There we
hot?
go.
What's
Yeah,
that song?
Anyway, James Taylor, Fire and Rain.
It's Fire and Rain, karaoke version.
Karaoke style.
Karaoke style.
There we go.
The style of James Taylor.
James Taylor and Frank and Joe. Or Joe and
All
Frank.
right, go. Thank you.
Just yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. Suzanne, the plans they made put an end to you. I walked out this morning and I wrote down this song. I just can't remember who to send it to. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again.
Won't you
Look
look
down upon me, Jesus. You got to help me make a stand. You've got to see me through another day. My body's aching and my time is at hand. And I won't make it any other way. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you again. Then walking my mind to an easy time, my back turned towards the sun. Lord knows when a cold wind blows, it'll turn your head around. Well, there's hours of time on the telephone line to talk about things to come. Sweet dreams and flying machines in pieces on the ground. Oh, I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend. But I always thought that I'd see you, baby, one more time again now. Thought I'd see you one more time again. There's just a few things coming my way this time around now. Thought I'd see you, fire and rain now. Fire and rain now. Fire and rain now.
Kill it. Lonely. I saw Lonely Days and I thought of
Lonely days, lonely nights. Where would I be without my woman? Lonely days, when? Lonely nights, where? Where would I be without my woman? Cut.
Lonely days.
No, one more. Lonely nights. Where would I be without my woman? Good night, everyone.
Good night from
Joe's going
California.
to shut us down.
Shut me down.
Shut down just like the FDA on
Right.
bad food.